show us the path of those who are not caste and those who are not extra. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you are all doing very well by the grace of Allah. I am also very well by the grace of Allah. I am grateful to Allah for all the times, million, billion, alhamdulillah. Actually, today's topic is Suratul Fatiha. Suratul Fatiha. Those who are watching this video from my YouTube channel should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Actually, let's get started now. Okay. One number ayat. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the universe. 2 number ayat. The most gracious, the most merciful. Okay. 3 number ayat. Who owns the day of judgment. Okay. 4 number ayat. We worship you alone and seek your help. 5 number ayat. Show us the straight path. Okay. 6 number ayat. The path of all those upon whom you have blessed. Okay. Your blessings. 7 number ayat, last ayat, Suratul Fatiha of the last ayat. Okay. Show us the path of those who are not caste and those who are not extra. Okay. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Stay well everyone, stay healthy. See you again in the next video. Wait for now. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.